Hello, friends, engineers, and developers. I'm Ken Briodagh, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and we are here on day 2 of Embedded World North America in Anaheim, California. We're meeting with lots of folks all over the show floor to find out what's new, exciting, and innovative in the embedded space. I'm very excited to be here with Doug from NTX Embedded.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you.
The pleasure's entirely mine. So we're here in front of your Best in Show award-winning Octalux HMI. Can you tell me a little bit about what Octalux is?
Absolutely. So Octalux is a project we've been working on for a while now, and it's an industrial HMI, which has great responsiveness, great touch, the basic things you would expect from a display.
Sure.
But what we do is we wrap services around it. And so we wrap an ability to go and help people bring it to market, to get it into their system, and to get it into market so they're generating revenue.
Yeah.
Those services range from ruggedization. When you think about industrial, you think about vibration, dust, heat, so they're protected. Thick panel, very different experience than if you, for example, push your phone and the screen bends a little bit. These screens don't bend. And then the dust to IP protection. The other thing we do is we provide a mechanical service. So a lot of people don't even recognize the fact that you don't just take an HMI and attach it.
Right.
You're usually putting it into a system, and you want it flush mounted. You got to have a mounting mechanism, and there's engineering that goes into that. It's got to fit sometimes in a very tight space, or the space might have challenges in terms of heat or other things. So we have an engineering team that can work with the customer and very quickly go and partner to design a solution that goes right into that system and goes.
I mean, obviously you've got a bunch of different form factors here, and a bunch of different options for encasement and things like that.
Exactly.
Whatever the use case is going to be.
You can see the depth will be different. The other thing we do is we do the UX UI design. So our design team did some of these very cool designs. This one operates our motor controller and a motor.
Okay.
This one is an example of some things that we've done. So if you go this way, you get a cook screen, and the cool thing is you put start, it's preheating, and so they do a really good job of bringing to life the product vision.
Yeah.
And thinking about how does an operator interact with this?
Right.
And that's the most nuanced, the easiest thing. But the other part that people think about and usually don't think about, for example, is the screen for when you're manufacturing it. How do you test it? How do you validate that it's working? Or if you're doing a service call, what are the screens to help the service technician actually go and service the equipment and do it quickly because it's expensive. So those are the types of things that we do. I think it looks great. The other thing that comes with this that's unique for NTX is that we provide our own in-house manufacturing capability. Okay. And with that is the supply chain.
Yeah.
And particularly in the industrial space, that's important. So when I think industrial, I think rugged, tough.
Right.
But the other part of that is long life.
Yeah.
Nobody builds a piece of equipment that you throw away in 2 years.
Exactly.
People are looking for decades of life in these things. And so we're there with our supply chain to be a partner and make sure that product is up to date and it's going to be there and be available for the 2 decades that it's in the marketplace.
Well, I mean, that support is so important to any industrial out-end user because they don't want to have to self-service. They certainly don't want to have to troubleshoot. Right. They want to know they have a partner that can help.
Yeah, absolutely. And so it's that service package and that capability package that really makes the product unique and makes NTX unique.
That's awesome. So this is super cool and exciting, and folks out there are going to be looking out for this. But what's next? What's the future?
There definitely is a next to this. This is the first stage of our product. We're going to add a control board and what we call a rapid development system. So the vision is very simple. Traditionally, an embedded system design cycle is 12 to 18 months. Some can even be 24 months. Right. And in today's world, that's slow. Yeah. And you get why, right? People want to be cautious.
A lot of certifications, all that stuff.
Exactly. And so our vision is to say, hey, we really want to take that 12, 18, 24-month time cycle and get it down to 4.
Wow. That's ambitious.
With our rapid development system, we think we can get there. So using building blocks that are tested, validated, and a design team that can very quickly spin a board, and the fact that we have our own manufacturing, we can do it all. And we think we can deliver a revenuable product in 4 months.
That's really cool. Well, thank you so much, Doug. Really appreciate you talking us through it. Folks, don't go away. We've got lots of exciting stuff coming to you all day today, so stay right here.